Friends, we will move to question number 48. XYZ Limited issued 1 lakh debentures at a discount of 6% on 1st April 2001, repayable in 5 equal annual drawings. Discount on issue of debentures to be written off in the 5 calendar years or written off in the 5th calendar year. अच्छा, तो कैसे करते आप दोस्तों? कर दो, पहले discount on issue of debentures is equal to 1 lakh into 6% is equal to 6,000. तो वो amount arrange कर दो. 1 lakh first year, 80,000 second year, 60,000 third year, 40,000 fourth year, 20,000 fifth year. तो proportions कर दो दोस्तों. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 15. Discount कितना? 6,000. तो 6,000 divided by 15 into 5. How much it is? 2,000. Then next, 6,000 divided by 15 into 4, 1,600. Then 6,000 divided by 15 into 3, 1,200. Similarly, 6,000 divided by 15 into 2, 800. And 6,000 divided by 15 into 1, 400. Out of this, D is the right answer. Take away that printing error of rupees 600. Leke B, you fix the button on B, on D. What is it? 2,000, 1,600, 1,200, 800, 400 in first, second, third, fourth, fifth years respectively. 48D is the right answer. Question number 49. XYZ Limited issued 1 lakh debentures at a discount of 6% on 1st January 2006, repayable at the end of the 5th year. Discount written off is what? Discount written off is what? See, throughout the 5 years the same balance is there. Haiya nahi? Throughout the 5 years the same balance. Kaisa? It is not that by making a drawings every year इतना redeem कर रहे हैं बोल के नहीं. Same 1 lakh पहले साल पे लिए and this is going to be redeemed only at the end of the 5 years. For all the 5 years the same amount of outstanding balance. So every year same amount of a discount. That is total discount 6 lakhs. Every year discount is equal to, total discount is 6,000. Every year discount is equal to 6,000 divided by 5. That is, what is it? 1,200 every year. A is the right answer. 50th question. XYZ Limited issued rupees 1 lakh debentures at a discount of 6% on 1st April 2006. Repayable at the end of, at the 5th year. Repayable at the 5th year. Discount to be written off in every calendar year is 1,200 every year. A is the right answer, not the D. A only is the right answer because the total amount is repayable only after the end of the 5 years, similar to the question number 49 only. So A, 1,200 every year is a point. Question number 51. A dash is a bond issued by a company under its seal, acknowledging a debt and containing the provisions as regards to the repayment of the principal and interest. It is nothing but debenture ka definition hai. B is the right answer. Question number 52. Debentures can be mortgage debentures or simple debentures. Registered debentures or bearer debentures. Redeemable debentures or irredeemable debentures. Convertible debentures or non-convertible debentures. See, these are all the different classification of debentures. Debentures can be of all these things. Mortgage debentures बोले तो उसके लिए सिक्योरिटी दिए, टैंजेबल सिक्योरिटी दिए तो उसको मॉर्टगेज डिबेंचर मानते. इफ नो सिक्योरिटी इज गिवन इट इज कॉल्ड एज ए सिंपल डिबेंचर और नेकेड डिबेंचर बोलते हम. और रजिस्टर्ड डिबेंचर बोले तो देयर अनलेस द ट्रांसफरी गोज एंड रजिस्टर हिज नेम विद द कंपनी ही विल नॉट बिकम द ओनर. सच ए सिचुएशन यू कॉल इट एज रजिस्टर्ड डिबेंचर्स. बेरर डिबेंचर्स क्या है? यदि आप जाके आपके नाम कंपनी में रजिस्टर करे नहीं करे यू विल बिकम द होल्डर. redeemable debentures means they need to be repaid within a period, whereas irredeemable debentures, of course, दोस्तों, in India you can't have irredeemable debentures. All the debentures, maximum period for which they can be redeemed is 10 years as per the Companies Act. So D is the right answer, not the B. D is the right answer. Question number 53. Which of the following is not a characteristic of bearer debentures? Their transfer requires a deed of transfer. That is not the requirement of the bearer debenture. They are treated as negotiable instruments. They are transferable by mere delivery. The interest on it is paid to the bearer. A, C, D are correct with respect to the bearer debentures. The question requires which is not a characteristic feature. That made us to say B is the right answer. Question number 54 दोस्तों. Debentures which are secured by a charge upon some or all of the assets of the company are known as secured debentures. So D is the right answer. Question number 55. Which of the following statement is false? Debentures cannot be secured is not a point. You have got secured debentures and unsecured debentures. So saying that debentures cannot be secured is a false statement. Question number 56. Which of the following is false? Interest on debentures is an appropriation of the profit is wrong because interest on debentures is a charge against the profit and the loss account dosto. D is the right answer. Question number 57. As per the Companies Act, interest accrued and not due on debentures should be shown as current liability. If it is interest accrued and due, then it will be added to the loan account and it will be shown under the secured loans. This is a very, very important question from the examination point of view. यदि interest is only accrued but not at become due, interest accrued but not at become due का मतलब क्या हुआ दोस्तों? Some companies have got a policy to pay the debenture interest on 30th June and 31st December. Let us suppose Karthik took the debentures on October. So he will be receiving the debenture interest on 31st December. But his financial year is ending on 31st March. Whereas the debenture interest is going to be paid only next time on 30th June. So for the 3 months, January, February, March, interest got accrued but not at become due. Interest that got accrued but not at become due will be shown only as a current liability because Schedule 6 balance sheet pro forma says what? Interest accrued but not at become due should be shown under the current liabilities, whereas interest accrued and also become due should be shown not under the current liabilities but under the secured loans. In case if the interest is related to the secured loan, if it is related to the unsecured loan, it should be shown under the unsecured loans. Whereas interest accrued but not at become due should be shown under the current liabilities. B is the right answer. Then friends, question number 58. As per the Companies Act, interest accrued and due on debentures should be shown under the debentures only. This question is also very important. Interest is in here, what is it? Interest is accrued as well as due. Then it is to be shown under the debentures only. You have to add to the loan. You have to show below the loan only is a point. Question number 58A is the right answer. Question number 59. Income tax deducted from interest paid on debentures is shown as, if you are paying to somebody something and you are deducting the tax at source, जब तक आप वो टीडीएस को पे नहीं करते गवर्नमेंट को तब तक वो एक लायबिलिटी बन जाता आपको. or TDS is to be paid within a short period, so it is to be shown under the current liabilities. So on payments made to others, if TDS is deducted, it will be shown as a liability of the company. C is the right answer, doston. Question number 60. T Limited had issued 15% debentures of 20 lakhs at a discount of 10% on 1st April 2008, and the company pays interest half yearly on 30th June and 31st December. On March 31st 2009, amount shows interest accrued but not due in the balance sheet will be, Lelo calculator or pen, 20 lakhs into 15% into 3 by 12. 15% is the interest only for 3 months from January to March. कितना आ गए? 20 lakhs into 15% into 3 by 12. 75,000 आ रहा नहीं आ रहा? 20 lakhs into 15% into 3 by 12. 20 lakhs into 15% is 3 lakhs. 3 lakhs into 3 by 12 is equal to 75,000. Here is the right answer. Question number 61. T Limited has issued 14% debentures of 10 lakhs at a discount of 10% on 1st April, and the company pays interest half yearly on 30th June and 31st December. On 31st March 2009, the amount of interest due but not paid in the balance sheet is what? ये क्या है दोस्तों? That is 14% debentures are issued 10 lakhs. Company pays interest half yearly on 30th June and 31st December. On 31st March, the amount shown as interest due but not paid in the balance sheet will be, calculate kar do dosto. Here the new entrants into this particular course need to understand the point that whenever you calculate the interest will always be calculated on the face value of the debenture only, irrespective of the fact whether the debentures got issued at par or at premium or at a discount. Interest is always to be calculated, Karthik, on what? On the face value only, because Karthik is a new entrant. So point here is calculate kar do Karthik. 10 lakhs into 14% into 3 by 12, 35,000. A is the right answer. Question number 62. What is it? On 1st May 2008, U Limited issues 6% 10,000 debentures, convertible debentures of rupees 100 each at a premium of 20%. Interest payable on 30th September and 31st March every year. Assuming that the interest runs from the date of, what is the total annual interest? क्या पूछ रहे हैं उन लोग? That is, interest is payable on 30th September and 31st March every year. Assuming that interest runs from the date of issue, कैसे calculate करते? Calculate कर दो दोस्तों. Face value of the debentures, 10,000 into 100. What is the face value? 10,000 into 100. 10,000 into 100 makes it to what? 10 lakhs. Calculate the interest. 10 lakhs into 6% into 11 by 12. Why 11 by 12, friends? Why 11 by 12? Because they got issued on 1st May. 1st May to 31st March बोले तो 11 months रहता. 55,000. D is the right answer. Question number 63. Which of the following statement is false? The issue price and redemption value of the debentures will always be equal. To say always be equal is wrong. That is, they may be equal, but always is not a correct word. So, issue price and redemption value could very well differ. Issue may be made at par, redeemed may be at a discount or at a premium. So, it is not correct on our part to say that issue price and redemption value of the debenture will always be equal is not correct. So, it's a false statement, remaining all are true statements. Regarding those statements, already I explained, so I am not elaborating on it. Question number 64. Which of the following statement is false? Debentures can be forfeited for non-payment of the call money. अच्छा, बाकी तीनों को भी पढ़ने दो. at maturity debenture holder get back their money as per the terms and conditions of the redemption. True statement. In the company's balance sheet, debentures are shown under the secured loan. AV true statement. Interest on debentures is charged against the profits. This is also true statement. तो false statement क्या है? Debentures cannot be. True statement is debentures cannot be forfeited for non-payment of the call money. Debentures being a loan, the question of forfeiture does not arise. It is only that what is it? Debentures can, that is shares can be forfeited for non-payment of the call money, but debentures cannot be forfeited for non-payment of the call money. B is the right answer. Megha Limited issued, 65th question. Megha Limited issued 10,000 12% debentures of 100 each at a discount of 10%, payable in full on application by 31st March 2009. Applications were received for 12,000 debentures. Debentures were allocated on 9th June 2009. The amount of excess refunded on the same date will be. तो जब आप 10,000 debentures issue करें तो applications are received for 12,000. तो पहले issue price लिख दो दोस्तों. Issue price is equal to 90 rupees per debenture. क्योंकि 10% discount है ना, 90 rupees per debenture. Excess subscribed is equal to 2,000 debentures. So excess amount to be refunded is equal to 2,000 into 90. 2,000 into 90 is equal to 1,80,000. Ye is the right answer दोस्तों. Question number 66. When debentures are issued as a collateral security, interest is paid on. Please remember, no interest will be paid once they are issued only as a collateral security. D is the right answer, not the B. Interest is paid on. No interest is paid. D is the right answer. Question number 67. Debentures premium cannot be used to pay the dividends because it is not a free reserve. It's a capital profit, so cannot be used for paying the dividend. For all other purposes it can be used. 67C is the right answer. Question number 68. Suresh issued 5,000 15% debentures of 100 each at a premium of 10 each. These debentures were to be redeemed at a premium of 4 each after 5 years. The amount to be credited to the debenture premium account will be. These are issued at what premium? 10 rupees each. So total amount of premium is what? Premium on issue of debentures is equal to, लिख दो, premium on issue of debentures is equal to 5,000 into 10 is equal to 50,000. So the total amount to be credited to the debenture premium account will be 50,000. B is the right answer. Question number 69. Koina Limited issued 15,000 12% debentures of rupees 50 each at a premium of 10%, payable as rupees 20 on application, balance on allotment. Debentures are redeemable at a par after 6 years. All the money due on allotment was called and received. The amount of premium will be. लिख दो दोस्तों, प्रीमियम कैसे कैलकुलेट करते आप? प्रीमियम कैसे कैलकुलेट करते? That is first, premium per debenture is equal to, premium per debenture is equal to 50,000 into 50 into 10%. Premium per debenture is equal to 50 into 10%, 5 rupees. Total premium is equal to 15 lakhs into 5. 15 lakhs into 5 is equal to 75 lakhs. Then friends, I move to the question number 70. Which of the following statement is true with regard to the 10% debentures issued at a discount of 20%? Which of the following statement is true with regard to 10% debentures issued at a discount of 20%? That is, out of this I have to find out a true statement. The face value and the carrying amount of debentures are equal. face value and carrying amount of debentures are equal. Yes friends, whether you issue at a premium or at a par or at a discount, the face value and the carrying amount of the debentures is always equal. That is a true statement. See, even if you issue the debentures at a discount, what you will do? Face value you are showing it on the liability side, discount you are showing it on the asset side. Even if you are issuing the debentures at a premium, debentures में आप face value खुद ही दिखाते, premium को separate लगा देते. तो irrespective of the fact whether you issued at a discount or at a premium, face value and the carrying amount, that amount of debenture which gets shown in the balance sheet will always be equal is a true statement. 70D is the right answer. Question number 71 friends, Gamma Limited issued 10% debentures of 100 each at a discount of 10%. The entire amount is payable on application. Applications were received for 12,000 debentures. The allotment of debentures was made on 10th October 2008. The amount that should be credited to the debentures account will be, even if you receive excess applications, only to the extent of issue, you have to transfer the same to the debentures account. Whether they are issued at a discount or at a premium, only face value दिखा देते आप. 10,000 into 100 is equal to 10 lakhs. D is the right answer. Question number 72 friends. Akash Deep Limited issued 1 lakh 7% debentures of rupees 100 each at a discount of 4%, redeemable after 5 years at a premium of 6%. Loss on issue of debentures is what? Total, what is the loss on issue of debentures? 1 lakh debentures of rupees 100 each. 1 lakh into 100 कितना हो जाएगा? 1 करोड़ हो जाएगा. 1 करोड़ के ऊपर डिस्काउंट 4% बोले तो 4 lakhs और प्रीमियम ऑन रिडेम्पशन ऑफ डिबेंचर 6% बोले तो 6 lakhs. 4 lakhs plus 6 lakhs is equal to 10 lakhs. Yes, the right answer. Question number 73. The company issued debentures of face value 1 lakh at a discount of 6% on 1st January 2009. These debentures were redeemed by annual drawings of 20,000 made on 31st December each year. The director decided to write off the discount based on the debenture outstanding each year. Amount of discount to be written off in the 5th year is what? What is the discount friends? 6,000 is a total discount. 6,000 divided by 15. 15 kaisa? 1 lakh, 80,000, 60,000, 40,000, 20,000. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 15. So 6,000 divided by 15 into 1 is equal to how much? 400. A is the right answer. Question number 74. K Limited issued 5,000, 12% debentures of 100 each at a discount of 5%, repayable after 5 years at a premium of 5%. The loss on issue of debentures to be written off for 5 years is what? See, discount on issue is 5,000 into 100 is equal to 5,000 into 100 is equal to how much? 5 lakhs. 5 lakhs के ऊपर 5% बोले तो 25,000 और premium on issue of premium on redemption of debentures is 5% means that is also 25,000. 25,000 plus 25,000 is equal to 50,000. So every year how much you have to charge off? 50,000 divided by 5 is equal to 10,000 every year. So all of you got my explanation. Both the discount on issue plus premium on redemption दोनों को मिला के loss समझ के वो loss 5 years equally because outstanding amount remains the same for all the 5 years equally, that amount of 10,000 every year you have to charge. D is the right answer. Question number 75. J Limited issued 20 lakhs of 15% debentures at 8% discount. Debentures are to be redeemed in the following manner. At the end of the second year, 2 lakhs. At the end of the third year, 4 lakhs. At the end of the fourth year, 6 lakhs. At the end of the fifth year, 8 lakhs. So 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 6 is 12 plus 8 is equal to 20. अब क्या होना इसको? The amount of discount to be written off in each of the 5 calendar years. कर दो दोस्तों. First year 20 lakhs, second year 18 lakhs, a third year 14 lakhs, fourth year 8 lakhs. कैसे करते हैं आप? फर्स्ट ईयर, थ्रू आउट फर्स्ट ईयर 20 lakhs, थ्रू आउट द सेकेंड ईयर हाउ मच इट इज? 18 lakhs, थ्रू आउट द थर्ड ईयर कितना? 16 कैसा होता है? 18 में से 4 निकाल दिए तो 14 lakhs, एंड थ्रू आउट द फोर्थ ईयर 14 minus 6 is equal to 8. Throughout the fifth year 8 lakhs. तो क्या proportion में है भैया? Total 60 only. तो in that case, what is the percentage of the discount? Percentage of the discount is 20 lakhs into 8% is equal to how much? 20 lakhs into 8% is equal to 1,60,000. So what you need to do, that is 1,60,000 divided by 60 into 20. फर्स्ट ईयर में 20 lakhs throughout, सेकेंड ईयर में 18 lakhs, थर्ड ईयर में 14 lakhs, फोर्थ ईयर में 8 lakhs, फिफ्थ ईयर में कुछ भी नहीं है, 0. Just see how you have to understand the question here. See here it is given second year, how much of the face value of the debentures are going to be redeemed? 2 lakhs. And in the third year 4 lakhs. In the fourth year 6 lakhs. In the fifth year, see these things, let us think that these are going to be redeemed at the end of the financial year. If we think like that, at the end of the financial year वो करते बोले तो first year 20, second year also throughout 20, third year 18, fourth year 14, fifth year 8. That will be the case. Then what is it? 20 plus 20, 40, 40 plus 18, total is how much? 80. Total is 80 is a point, and then in that case, what is the discount you got? Total discount is 1,60,000. 1,60,000 divided by 80 into 20. Kitna? 40,000. Second year also 40,000. Third year it is 36,000. Fourth year it will be 28,000. Fifth year it is 16,000. Isn't it or not? Fifth year एक बार calculate कर दो दोस्तों. 1,60,000 divided by 80 multiplied by 8. Kitna? 16,000. D is the right answer. Question number 76. L Limited issued rupees 1,12% debentures par of rupees 100 each at a discount of 5% on 1st January 2009, repayable by 4 equal annual drawings at a premium of 5%. The loss on issue of debentures to be written off in the 4 calendar years will be. See, what is the face value of the debentures issued? 1 lakh. These are also issued at a par value of rupees 100. These have got par value 100, issued at a discount of 5%. Total discount is what? 5,000 is the total discount. Isn't it or not? Total discount is what? 5,000 is the total discount. And on 1st January 2009, repayable by 4 equal annual drawings. 4 equal annual drawings means first year 1 lakh, second year 75,000, third year 50,000, fourth year 25,000. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. और ऐसा है तो यहाँ पे डिस्काउंट कितना आ रहा? 5,000 आ रहा. 5000 आए तो डिस्काउंट और प्रीमियम कितना, प्रीमियम इज 5% बोले तो वो भी 5000, कुल मिला के 10,000. 10,000 divided by 10 into 4 divided by 10 into 3 divided by 10 into 2 divided by 10 into 1. So 4,000, 3,000, 2,000, 1,000. The answer is B, not D, doston. The answer is B. B is the right answer. Question number 77. Yum Limited issued 1,12% debentures of rupees 100 each at 94% on 1st April, redeemable by 5 equal annual drawings of 20,000 each. The company closed its accounts on 31st March. Every year, calculate the amount of the discount to be written off each year in the following alternative cases. What are the alternative cases? If the redemption commences from 31st March 2010. If the redemption commences from 31st March 2010, क्या होता, that is, take it, 1,80,000, 60,000, 40,000, 20,000. That means 54321. 54321 कुल मिला के 15 हो जाता. 6,000 is the discount. तब कैसे हो जाता वो? 6,000 divided by 15 into 5. 6,000 divided by 15 into 5, 2,000, 1,600, 800, 400 ऐसा हो जाता. ये is the right answer. Then B, if the redemption commences from March 2011, then first and second year the same amount will be there. First year, second year, the same amount will be there. B is the right answer. But once that is the case, what will be the situation, friends? First year B, what is it? The same amount continues. So if you see here, 2011 में से commence हुए तो redemption, first 2 years you will continue to have 1 lakh only. In which case, what is it? 1 lakh, then 70, then 80,000, then 60, then 40, then 20. Then क्या होता? 5 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. 15 plus 5 is equal to 20 हो जाएगा. और 6,000 divided by 20 into 5. 6,000 divided by 20 into 5 कितना? तो 1,500, 1,500, 900, 600, 300 वैसा हो जाता. तो B is the right answer. Anyhow, having got the concept, that should not be a very big problem. B is the right answer. 1,500, 1,500, 1,200, 900, 600, 300 हो जाता. You got the point? Point is one more 5 is adding, because for the first year no redemption, second year no redemption, it starts from the what is third year onwards. Then friends, if the redemption commences from 2012, one more 5 add ho jata. So 6,000 divided by 25 into 5. 6,000 divided by 25 into 5. 1,200, 1,200, 1,200, 960, 720, 480, 240. I think by now students are very clear with that particular concept. Only thing you have to do is keep the balance outstanding and make it in a proportions as a point. Question number 78 doston. C Limited issued 1 lakh debentures at a discount of 6% on 1st January 2009, repayable in 5 equal annual installment. Discount on issue of debentures written off in 5 calendar years will be 6,000 is the discount. 6,000 divided by 15. 15 kaisa? 1,80,000, 60,000, 40,000, 20,000, 54321, 15. So 6,000 divided by 15 into 5 is equal to, कर दो first, शुरुआत कर दो, क्या है? 6,000 divided by 15 into 5. 6,000 divided by 15 into 5. 2,000, 1,600, 1,200, 800. C is the right answer. Question number 79. If debentures as issued as a consideration for purchase of any fixed asset, the entry is asset account debtor to debentures account. Debit what comes in, credit the liability account, asset account debtor to debentures account. A is the right answer. Which of the following statement is true? A debentures issued at a discount can be redeemed at a premium. You can very well do it. That is a true statement. A debenture holder is a owner of the company. No. Debenture holder can get his money back only on liquidation of the company. No. Is a false statement. Debenture holder receives interest only in the event of profits. See, that is also, debenture holder receives interest only even in the loss situation also. So only in the event of profit interest receive करते बोलना गलत हो जाता. So with that, friends, I conclude the accounts for CPT students. We made a great journey right from the beginning of what is a debit and what is a credit. The travel and the journey is so interesting, and I thank all the students who sat in my live classes and patiently listened these many hours without much of an interaction. But I always expect my e-learning students to mail whenever they get any doubt. You are listening these lectures at any part of your country, any part of the country, please mail it, and also please don't forget that you also give an SMS saying that, sir, I got a doubt, which I mailed it to your mail ID. Our mail ID is yca_fca@yahoo.com, and the reply you can expect within one day. Thank you.